Oh, this is just another video with my dog. That's my dog in this crap. He's gonna attack the camera in 2 seconds, I think. Bite. You know you want to. Bite the camera. Bite the camera. Come on, fine. Bite the string. Arrgh. Whoop. Come on, get up. Let go. Let go, man. Oh, man. I'm like pulling on you as hard as I can. Hey, what do you do next, huh? Let go. Oh, there's one side. Oh, it's wrapped on your tooth. That's why you're not letting go. Okay. Open up. Good boy. Now see, look at the camera string. This is from many times of him biting it. That's not good. Oh, you hit the sneezes. Oh, you see how the sneezes. What are you watching? Huh? Ew, yeah, I think your snot is on the camera. No, it's a string on the couch. Okay, good. Ew, stop licking. Hey, no, thank you. Ow. Ow. Ow! Look at that. It's like jaws of death. Rah, rah. It's like a pit bull. My pit bull lab. Where'd you go? Whoop! There you are. No, no, no. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Hey, Fritz! Fritz! Yeah, that's a cutie pie. Fritz! Fritz! Come here! Oh, that was cute. Hey, Fritz! Fritz! What's this? What's that? Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, no, what are you doing over here? What was that? Did you just fall? You're pathetic. Bye. Oh, he has hiccups. Oh. He has the hiccups. Watch, he's gonna jump. Jump! Jump! Hey, you're not jumping. Jump! Come on, jump! Go down. 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 You still have the hiccups, don't you? Come on, down. Fine, don't go down. Just bury your head in the pillows. Say goodbye, Fritz. Fritz, say goodbye. Ow.